day everyone.
I am Jerry Bandiray.
I am Justin Antonio.
And today we're going to test the
Fan motor
heats using our digital tester. So first magtetest na tayo ng ating digital tester. So usually merong consist ng 4 na LED ang ating fan motor leads. Nandito yung high, nandito yung middle, tsaka yung low na LED. So kadalasan dyan, hinahanap natin muna is yung common LED. Dahil doon natin kinokonekta yung negative probe para connect dun sa other LED. So doon natin madedetermine by resistance yung po alin ba yung high, middle, and low na fan speed. So, paano ba natin malalaman yung high speed? So, nagde-determine yun kung mababa yung resistance. Ibig sabihin mataas yung current, nandun yung mas mabilis na speed. Then next naman is yung middle speed. So, mas mataas siya ng konti yung resistance kaysa dun sa high LED. Then yung pinakamataas na resistance, ibig sabihin ayun yung may low speed. So una itetest muna natin. Usually ang common LED dito is yung white, depende rin sa manufacturer kung ano yung kulay ng common LED niya. So test muna natin. As you can see, wala siyang reading. Then next, wala din siyang reading. And then next, wala rin siyang reading. So malalaman natin if may problema yung common LED pag kinonekta naman yung negative probe sa ibang LED. So try natin yung negative probe sa ibang LED. So, nakikita nyo nagre-read siya. Ibig sabihin, may problema sa common LED. Pag-test din natin yung iba. Yan. As you can see, nagre-read din siya. So, ibig sabihin, itong problema ng white LED, possible na ito yung common, ito yung ating common LED. So, hindi natin ma-read kung alin dyan yung high, middle, at yung low na LED fan speed kasi hindi tayo makakapag-base base dun sa ating common LED. So, ganun lang pag-determine. Lalagyan natin yung negative probe sa common LED. For example, itong yellow LED ay meron siyang highest resistance among the three others. Ibig sabihin, siya yung low speed. So, habang bumababa yung resistance, mas tumataas yung speed. So, the lowest resistance is yung highest speed ng isang fan. So, ganun lang yung pag-test ng ating digital multimeter. So,